Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Claude with Higgsfield AI so you can create amazing images, videos, animation all inside of Claude. First of all, you need to go to Higgsfield AI and create your own account. Once inside, click on MCP, select Claude here, and you will see instructions. This is the Higgsfield URL, so you want to copy this. You want to go back to Claude. Go to your settings. Scroll down and select connectors. Click here on add custom connector. Write Higgsfield under name. Paste the URL here. And then click on add. Now click on connect. Click on allow. Perfect. We have now connected Claude with Higgsfield AI. Now what you need to do is you're going to go over here and give some permissions. So what do you want Claude to do with Higgsfield? So I am going to allow it to dub, explain a video, generate 3D, generate audio, generate image, generate video. Every single thing that you want Claude to do with Higgsfield AI, you want to make sure you give permission to that. Other things that you are still not sure, you can just leave it on needs approval. All right, so now we're going to test it. I'm going to upload a picture and I'm going to ask Claude to create me a video with that picture. All right, so I uploaded a product here, which is a perfume kit, and I'm asking Claude to create me a hypermotion ad video using Higgsfield. And I'm just going to go ahead and click here. All right, so Claude is using Higgsfield now. It's going to find the right preset or the right video type for this kind of product and upload the picture here directly on this widget. There we go. And now you want to go ahead and click here. Here's the video. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, guys, so here's the video. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, wow, this is actually very nice. Now, if you don't like it, you want AI to recreate it again, just click here on recreate. But keep in mind that this does take your credits, okay? It does not mean that, okay, you're generating all this in Claude, your credits will not be used. No. Whether you create the videos or animations, images, whatever in Higgsfield or in Claude, your credits are going to be used. And if you want to make further edits, for example, you want to add music, you can just go ahead and upload the music file here in Claude and then just say, add this music to the video, right? Let's say you want to turn this into a UGC video, so you can just click here. Or let's say you want to change this into a UGC video, you can just let Claude know, turn this video into a UGC ad. Whatever edits you want to make, just write it down here and Claude is going to make the edits. Now, it's easier for me to just create a video using Higgsfield AI in Claude because Claude is very beginner friendly and it has this conversational nature. So I could just say, okay, remove the background or change the color or change the music or add this, add that, remove this, remove that. And Claude is going to do that. Now, when you do it on Higgsfield AI, you need to have a proper prompt, right? Higgsfield AI understands prompts better. But with Claude, you don't really need to have a prompt. You just let Claude know in your simple language what you want to do, and Claude will then use its own language to communicate with Higgsfield AI and make the changes you want. So I hope this video helps. Go ahead and connect your Higgsfield with Claude and go